morning, everyone. My name is Daniel Svoboda, and I am your new teacher. You can call me Daniel or Mr. Svoboda, but I would prefer Daniel. I hope over the next few months that we become a good team, and I hope I can help you learn English in any way possible. I am from New York City in the United States of America. I've lived in many places around the world, and I came to Korea in 2005. So I've lived in Korea for 8 years. This morning, I would like to spend some time getting to know all of you. I would like you to tell me your names. I would like you to tell me which department you work in. And I would like you to tell me where you're from, where your hometown is, maybe where you went to school, and also about your family. So let's spend about 10 or 15 minutes this morning talking about ourselves, okay? Why don't we start from the corner? Mr. Kim, would you like to begin? Great. So, Mr. Kim, what is your full name? That's a very nice name. And what does Chursu mean? Do you know what that means in English? Oh, really? Very interesting. Okay, I didn't know that. So, now, Mr. Kim, where are you from? Are you from Daegu? No. You're from Busan. A beautiful seaside city. I've been there many times. Busan is a great place. That's nice. And Mr. Kim, are you single or are you married? You're married. Wonderful. I'm married too. So, how many children do you have? 2 children. Okay. Do you have a son or a daughter? 2 sons. You're lucky. That's great. So I have 1 daughter. How old is how old are your sons? 2 and 5. That's great. So my daughter is only 8 months old. So we'll have to meet up sometime. That's great. Okay. Now, Ms. Lee. Yeah. How about you? What's your full name? Ji Young. Interesting. And what does that mean in English? Can you tell us what it means? You don't know? Okay, that's fine. You can tell us tomorrow, no problem. And where are you from, Ms. Lee? You're from Daegu. Which part of Daegu? Daegu is a very big city. You're from Susong. Where we are now. That's great. So, and are you married or are you single, Ms. Lee? You're still single. Okay. Well, there are many nice men in our class, so that's great. Now, let me ask you maybe one more question. What do you do on the weekends? You meet your friends and watch movies. That's wonderful. Okay. Now, we have one more member here, Mr. Che. Good. Where are you from, Mr. Che? You're from Seoul. Oh, okay. But you work in Daegu for this company. Great. And how long have you lived in Daegu? For 1 year. How do you like it? Do you prefer living in Seoul or do you prefer living in Daegu? Okay. You don't really like Daegu. Why not? Your family is in Seoul. Tell me about your family. Are you married? Yes, you're married. So how many children do you have? 2 children. How old are your kids? One is in high school. The other is in middle school. Oh, wonderful. Okay. So, and what do you do on the weekends, Mr. Che? You go to Seoul every weekend. Okay. And when you get to Seoul, do you travel? Do you go out with your family? Just sleep? You're tired? Okay, from traveling every week. So I understand. That's great. Okay. Now today, for our first lesson, I would like to talk about clothes. Okay. Specifically, dress codes. Does anyone know what a dress code is? Dress, yes, like a one piece. Very good. But in English, dress just means all clothes, what you wear. Very good. So dress is what we wear. What about the word code? What does code mean? Very good, like a secret code. Very good. Some kind of unwritten rule, some kind of special rule that we need to follow. Very good. So a dress code talks about what kind of clothes we should wear when we go to work, when we go to a party, when we go for an interview, or when we go someplace special. Very good. So what is the dress code at your company? I know Mr. Che is wearing a suit, Ms. Che is wearing a dress, and then let's see, Mr. Kim, you're wearing maybe khakis and a polo shirt. So please tell me about your company's dress code.